A very good morning, dear students. Today we are all here to learn a very interesting topic. So, dear children, do you think we humans can learn something from animals? Obviously, there are many more good qualities which we all humans can learn from animals. Rather, we should learn from animals. So, what are these qualities? If we have to compare animals and humans, how do we find animals? Animals, they are very compassionate, they are full of warm emotions for each other, they are very kind, and even we can say they are very social. Exactly opposite to this, if we compare human beings, how do we find them? In comparison with animals, we find humans, they behave in a heartless manner many of the time. They seem cruel as well, and at the same time even they behave in a very unsocial manner also. So let's start with a very interesting topic which is titled as Animals and written by Walt Whitman. The poet Walt Whitman, he finds an analogy which means a similarity between him and animals. So, what are the virtues which one finds in animals? As we have discussed earlier, simplicity, they live a very simple life, they behave in a very innocent manner, they are always seen satisfied, or what we can say that they are in the state of contentment, always contentment, which means satisfaction. Along with that, we can say that even they share the unconditional love with each other. So, what is the gist of the poem? The poet wants all of us to live a simple life, and along with that, we should even have a helping attitude towards each other. We should not worry either about our past or future. Rather, we should learn to live in the present. So, all of us, we are quite aware of this fact that this is totally difficult. Either we are lost, worried about the past things, whatever has happened in the past, or we keep imagining, we keep building castles in the air, thinking about our future. And so these two things completely confuse us, and because of them, we are never able to enjoy the present. One more thing is that we should support each other wholeheartedly and even consider each other, consider everyone as equal. Instead of considering someone as the strong one or the other one as a weak one, we should consider everyone as equal. Now, about the poet, Walt Whitman was born in 1890 and left this world in the year 1892. He is considered as a major figure in early American poetry. He even broke the tradition of rhyme and metrical poetry. So, what does the word metrical mean over here? That means a recognizable pattern of stressed and unstressed syllables. He was even famous, the poet Walt Whitman was famous for writing a revolutionary, which means a new kind of poetry, which was written in free verse. Free verse means that's a kind of rhyme. When a particular rhyme is given to the poem, that we can set up in a number of pattern of rhymes, but the poems whatever were written by Walt Whitman, he always preferred to write in free verse, or which we even can call it as the blank verse. The poem Animals from his work, it comes from the titled poetry which in the name of Song of Myself. Song of Myself, little more information about that. It is a poem by Walt Whitman that is included in his work, which is titled as Leaves of Grass. This has been credited as representing the core of Walt Whitman's poetic vision.
Okay.